extravagance in a spree. Find yourself in a sugary sea. Choices weigh heavy in your little hand. Will you cave or take?
Kitchen gardening isn't just about growing food, it's therapy. In this educational video, I'll not only talk about how gardening can relieve stress, but also teach you some useful English expressions along the way. Feeling stressed? Overwhelmed by life? This is when you feel mentally or emotionally overloaded, as if everything is too much to handle. But what if I told you that the secret to a happier, healthier mind is right outside your door? Spending time in your garden can make stress melt away. This means stress gradually disappears, just like ice melting in the sun. The fresh air, the greenery, and the simple act of planting something with your own hands help calm your mind. Now here's another important expression. Triggers the release of. This means something causes a chemical reaction or response. When you dig in the soil, beneficial microbes trigger the release of a serotonin, a chemical that naturally boosts your mood. That's why gardening is often compared to meditation. It makes you feel happier without you even realizing it. And then comes a great feeling, accomplishment. This is the sense of success and satisfaction you get after achieving something. Watching a tiny seed turn into a beautiful plant gives you a deep sense of accomplishment, knowing that you created life with your own hands. And finally, let's talk about serotonin. It's a chemical in the brain that helps regulate mood, often called the happiness chemical, because it promotes well-being. When you spend time in your garden, serotonin level increase, making you feel more relaxed and positive. So next time you feel overwhelmed, just don't sit indoors. Step into your garden, touch the soil, and let nature work its magic. Even a few plants on your balcony can make a difference. Try it and let gardening heal your mind. Happy gardening!
Caught in the trap temptation made. Sweets are lovely.